Hello everybody, welcome back to Business Friday. This is where we discuss what is important for you and for your business. My name is Nidhi Vadera. I am a sales coach, author, business consultant, and I am on a mission to help you understand the fundamentals of business and selling. Last week I shared with you how your mindset plays a critical role in the way you approach selling, how it impacts your energy, your conversation, and the overall results that you generate for yourself and for your business. If you haven't watched that video, here is the link. Please go ahead and watch it later. And in today's video, I am going to share with you the ABC of selling, which is to thoroughly understand your product or your service before you step out in the market to sell it. So in this video, let us talk about how to create a product inventory. Please be ready with your pen and paper to make notes of the important points that I'm going to discuss with you. Now, unlike the inventory management, where you maintain a unit count of the product, the product inventory means that you are taking a stock of the details of your product or your service. Before you sell, before you start sharing information about your product or service with your customers, it is important for you to understand all the aspects of your offerings inside out. So in this video, we will learn what is a product inventory and how you can create one. This is something that you have to do before you start selling, and I will share all this information with you in just a bit. But before that, if you are new to this channel, please take out a few minutes to visit our homepage. I post 2 new videos every week, one on Tuesday, one on Friday. So if you are interested in the knowledge of books and business, then do subscribe to the channel and become a part of our community. And now let's get started with today's video, which is about your product inventory. First of all, let's understand why you need a product inventory. What is the use of creating one? See, how much ever you may be attached to your product or your service, the truth is that you are not the first of your kind, unless and until you really have something unique to offer. Now, in most of the cases, there are similar products and services already available in the market as yourself. Now, when you go out in the market and share information about your product or your service, what your prospects are going to do is that they are going to compare you with the other similar products. They will ask you questions like, how are you different from the others? What is unique about you? Now, to answer these kind of questions, you would need a product inventory. When your customers ask you questions and if you don't have the answers ready, you won't know what to answer. You'll put the business at risk. You will start making up the answers while you are presenting. You will lose confidence, and we just discussed last week that nobody likes to buy from an underconfident salesperson. So to answer your customer's question with confidence, you need a product inventory. Your product inventory can be divided into 3 parts: feature, benefit, and advantage. The first part is called feature. Now pay attention to understand what exactly is the meaning of feature. Feature means some part of your product, some aspect of it that you want to highlight. So tomorrow when you speak to the customer, show your product and say, our product has, and whatever you say after that to complete the sentence, whatever information you share with your customer is the feature. Okay, so feature is the first thing that you want to highlight to your customers about what you are offering. I hope it is clear to you. Now that you have understood what is feature, let's take a step forward to understand what is a benefit. So when you say our product has tarara, that's the first part of the statement, followed by which will allow you to. That is the benefit statement. Now, what is the benefit of using your product or service? That is benefit, okay? And then the third part of the product inventory is the advantage, meaning how your product or service will make the customer's life easy. For example, assume that this is a pen, okay? This pen is German engineered, which is the feature, which will allow you to write continuously without interruption. This is the benefit. As a result of which you do not have to worry about refilling the ink before signing an important deal. Now that is the advantage. That is how your pen will make the end user's life easy. So let's quickly go through these steps one more time. The first part is feature. Some aspect of your product or multiple aspects of your products, right? Since you have a pen and paper handy, what I want you to do right now is to create a list. And for creating the list, you have to first create 3 columns on a piece of paper. In the first column, list down all the features that your product or your service has to offer. Think about it, think hard, do some research on your offering and create this list. In the second column, write down a benefit for each feature. Now there can be multiple benefits for each feature, which is perfectly alright, but at least one benefit has to be mentioned against each feature. So feature, benefit, and in the third column, I want you to write down the advantage. Penning down the advantage is very, very important. Because knowing the advantage means knowing how your product or service can serve the customer, can solve their problem. A lot of salespeople talk only about the feature and benefit, but why should I be interested to buy anything from you if you do not know the advantage? If you cannot tell me how your product or service makes my life easy. Knowing the advantage also means knowing how you are better than your competition. Now, whatever product or service you may be offering, your customer must already be using it under some other brand name, correct? So if you want the customer to buy from you, to switch to your brand, then you have to tell the advantages of associating with you. If they are happy with the current product that they are using and you go to them and say, ma'am, I have this product, these are the features, this is the benefit, chances are that she will give you a deaf ear. But if you can tell her how you are better than what she is currently using, then she will surely be interested. Let's take another example. Let's say you are selling a washing machine. Your washing machine has a feature that you can pre-program the wash, meaning you can set the washing time in advance. You don't have to do it manually. So your sales pitch would sound something like this. You would say, this machine has automated wash feature, which will allow you to pre-program your wash time, and that means you don't have to do it manually every day. It will start washing at the pre-programmed time every day on its own. Now, do you see the advantage? Maybe your customers are setting up the timer manually right now, leaving everything that they are doing. Sometimes they may even be forgetting to wash the clothes because they probably got busy with something else. Therefore, pre-programming the wash is definitely an advantage, and it is your responsibility to show it to your customers. So please take out time to complete your product inventory. It is really simple. List down all the features of your product, write down a benefit or benefits that feature has, and then write down the advantage for each feature. There could be more than one advantage, which is perfectly all right. So create a list with 3 columns and then list out the features, benefits, and advantages. This is something that you have to do before you step out to sell. Spend some time on this list, because once this is ready, you will feel empowered and motivated to sell. So this brings us to the end of today's episode. I hope you understood one thing clearly, that unless and until you are able to explain to the end user what your product or service can do for them, you will never be able to get their attention. So list out a feature, link it to a benefit, and then link that benefit to an advantage. If this information has helped you, then do give me a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends, and everybody who you think can be benefited by this information. If you are interested in the knowledge of books and business, then do subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon, and become a part of our community. Also, if you have any questions for me related to the product inventory, feel free to reach out to me, type your queries in the comment box below, and I would be happy to help. In the next video, I will discuss with you how you can understand your market and your customers better. So see you next Friday. Until then, love your numbers, work hard for your dreams, and remember, it won't work out till you start having fun. Happy selling!